somewhere I heard about a tragic eye operation that happened in North India. I would like to know more about it and why it happened, sir. Can you brief me about it?
From my memory, I guess that it is Mittal case you are
Yes.
referring. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It happened in Madhya Pradesh, Khurja city, where with noble reason they arranged for a free eye camp. But it is a tragedy to narrate this case. But we learn many things from this famous historical case in India. The name Mittal, his name is A.S. Mittal, who is an advocate practicing in Supreme Court of India at that time. This case related to 74-75 area, that's time. Now, in Madhya Pradesh, there is a town called Khurja. It is a very famous town for making pottery products, etc. Very fancy products they will be manufactured. This Khurja town in 70s was just developing, and the district administration organized a free eye camp, and it was organized in a marriage hall, and a philanthropist, very nice doctor, Dr. Sahay came from Rajasthan, is a renowned doctor, and he came all the way from Rajasthan to Madhya Pradesh to do the procedure, etc. They have 122 patients came, they screened them, checked them, and found that 82 persons require cataract operation. And in the relevant date, the doctor came, he has done the operation free of cost. He never charged even a single money. After the operation is over, he went to another center in Uttar Pradesh for doing such operation. And the patients operated were kept there. And as per the procedure, they will have, apply saline water in and around the area. And the third day, they opened the wound and saw whether the sight has come or not. Now, it is a tragedy that all the 82 people who were operated became fully blind, and it's a hue and cry all over India, reported in the TV, etc., etc. It is a very big tragedy in the small city, and investigation was on how it happened. Paper reports, newspapers were covering all the various type of stories. Now, the Mittal filed a writ petition before the Supreme Court of India, and he requested the Supreme Court of India to intervene because it's a mob of people. 82 people lost the sight in one day, and investigation was on. Ultimately, they found that the saline water the doctor purchased in one of the medical pharmacy company in Rajasthan was contaminated, and because of that infection, all the 82 became blind. And the Supreme Court of India came heavily on the district administration. It has given some guidelines to conduct free eye camp. Don't call it free eye camp unless your competency is proper, do it. Otherwise, don't call free eye camp with disqualified people or without following the procedure correctly. Now, Supreme Court of India gave an order that all the 82 people must be compensated by payment by the state of Madhya Pradesh, because the state failed to check and follow the procedures correctly in this episode. This was an eye-opener, and the Supreme Court of India laid down many rules and regulations to be followed while conducting free eye camp in India. Even now, free eye camp should be conducted only with the permission of the district administration. After scrutinizing the qualification, etc., medicine, pharmacy, then only they are allowed to conduct free eye camp. It is a very big tragedy, but it was an eye-opener for all the future free eye camps conducted in India.